I'm back, and today I'm doing another pinch of num recipe. So we're doing a kind of breakfasty treat type thing. We're doing a banana pancake tray bake. So fingers crossed this turns out well. It looks pretty simple, so let's have a look and see what we do. Okay, so we've got a 24cm by 24cm square baking tin, and we're going to spray with some low-cal spray on the bottom and around the sides. And then we're going to line with some baking paper. So I found the easiest way to make sure it gets it right into all the corners is to stir it up, open it back up, and then because it's already creased it should fit into all of the corners. There we go, and now I'm going to put that to the side. Next up, in a bowl we are going to sift 200 grams of self-raising flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then we're going to stir in 1 tablespoon of granulated sweetener, give that a stir in. And then we're going to need, in a jug, 200 ml of semi-skimmed milk, and to that we're going to add 1 egg, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to give this a mix. Okay, and then we're going to pour this into the flour. We're going to do it slowly and start whisking it as well. Okay, once that's in, then we're going to whisk this until it becomes a smooth batter. Okay, there we go. I thought it was going to be a lot runnier, but it is pretty thick. So I whisk it for about 2 minutes, and now we're going to transfer that into the baking tin. Okay, and then we're going to spread it out to the sides. There we go. Right, next up we need a banana. Okay, so we've got a medium-sized banana and we're going to slice this into pieces so we can put on top. So we're going to spread these all on top. And then we're going to sprinkle over 20 grams of milk chocolate chips. Okay, so that's all we can do then. So this is going to go in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Cool, it looks good. Right, so it's starting to go golden. Yes, the bananas have gone a bit black, but that's normal. So I'm going to get this out and we're going to cut it into 8. Go then. There we go. So it says to finish off, do a light dusting of icing sugar. I don't have any of that, so I'm going to go on with a bit of sweetener because it is quite fine. But it says like 1/4 of a teaspoon. So we just get a little bit on there. There we go. And then some toffee dessert sauce. Spread some of that on top as well. Okay, I can't wait to give this a try. Okay, let's give this a try then. It is still warm. Yeah. It's pancake, it's banana, it's chocolate, it's toffee. Yeah, really good. Yeah, so keep experimenting, have fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye!